Hey, what's up, people? Today we'll be trying to gesture control the PC with the help of Arduino using Python code. So we'll be basically doing this with a ultrasound sensor. So the things you will need are an ultrasound sensor, a breadboard, and few jumper cables. So let's do it. So attach the jumper cables to the ultrasound sensor. What we are doing is we are connecting the echo to the pin 13 and trigger to the pin 12, and we are connecting the ground and VCC accordingly, and we are also connecting a LED just to indicate when an object is in front of the ultrasound sensor, and we are connecting the LED to the 8th pin of the digital output side of Arduino. So basically how this works is the ultrasonic sensor picks up when something is in front of it, and so in this case if we move our hand in front of the ultrasound sensor, it will detect it and it will produce an output on the PC. So this is the code in Arduino that is required for getting this output. First of all, we are defining the trigger and echo. Then we are defining some constants, LED and duration and distance. Then we are declaring the serial input and outputs of the ultrasound sensor. Then we are declaring the duration of the pulse of the ultrasonic sensor, and we are getting an arbitrary number of 60. One of the useful tips that you should follow is you should print the distance that we are getting when detecting the object, and by using that as a starting point, we'll define what should be the ideal distance to trigger the ultrasound sensor. So for me it is 60, so that's why I have written if distance less than 60. Next we'll write the code to light the LED, and then we'll print pause into the serial output screen. So this is how it looks like. Now I have uploaded the code, and you can see the LED is blinking when my hand is closer to the ultrasound sensor, and this is the output of the serial screen. I have already installed Python from the site. Now we are going to install pip. So this is how you do it. You have to type pip 3.exe install PySerial. Then we should upgrade if there is an upgrade for pip. Now we are going to install PyAutoGUI. All of this installation is done in the command prompt. Next, when you open up the Python IDE, this is the code you have to write. So we have to import serial and PyAutoGUI, and we are going to define the serial number and the COM port number by using the statement, and we are going to write a condition that when the serial output is pause, then the PyAutoGUI should do a key down of spacebar, and we should return the data to blank after this is done so that it doesn't repeat itself. So we are clearing the input. First run the Arduino code, then this script. This is the output you will get in the Python output screen. Now when we are running this over another application, like a video player, the video player gets paused. So I'm not actually pressing the space bar. Ultrasound sensor is detecting my hand, and in any case while using it in Notepad. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel.